Khammam, a name that echoes with history. This city, often overlooked, holds a treasure trove of stories waiting to be discovered, a place where nature thrives. The lush green landscapes and diverse flora create a serene environment that captivates the soul. Nestled in the heart of Telangana, India, Khammam is a city that seamlessly blends natural beauty with historical significance. Khammam is a city that often escapes the well-trodden tourist trails. Its hidden pathways and offbeat trails are perfect for the adventurous traveler. But for those who venture off the beaten path, Khammam offers a rich tapestry of experiences. From exploring ancient ruins to hiking through verdant forests, there's something for everyone. Natural beauty, ancient history, and vibrant culture converge, making it a unique and captivating destination in southern India. The city's landscapes are dotted with historical sites and cultural events that tell the stories of its rich past. Khammam's history stretches back centuries, leaving behind a legacy of forts, temples, and cultural traditions. These ancient structures stand as a testament to the city's enduring heritage, but it's the natural beauty that truly sets Khammam apart. The panoramic views of its scenic landscapes are nothing short of breathtaking. From the flowing waters of the Godavari River to the tranquil forests of the Kinnarasani Wildlife Sanctuary, Khammam offers a diverse range of natural attractions. Khammam is a haven for nature lovers. Whether you're a birdwatcher, a hiker, or simply someone who appreciates the tranquility of nature, Khammam has something to offer. Its peaceful natural scenery provides a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Khammam sits on the Deccan Plateau, a vast expanse of ancient rock formations that defines much of south-central India. This geographical setting gives Khammam its unique landscape, characterized by rolling hills, dense forests, and fertile valleys. The city itself is situated on the banks of the Munuru River, a tributary of the mighty Godavari. This interplay of rivers and hills creates a picturesque setting for Khammam. The city is surrounded by lush greenery, offering a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. The region's topography also makes it ideal for agriculture, with vast stretches of land dedicated to rice cultivation and other crops. Water is the lifeblood of Khammam, and the region is blessed with an abundance of rivers and reservoirs. The mighty Godavari River, often referred to as the Ganges of the South, flows through the district, bringing life-giving water to its fields and forests. Its banks are dotted with ancient temples and pilgrimage sites, testament to the river's spiritual significance. Another significant water body is the Kinnarasani River, a tributary of the Godavari. The Kinnarasani Reservoir, formed by damming the river, is a popular destination for boating, fishing, and picnicking. The reservoir's calm waters, surrounded by hills and forests, create a serene and picturesque setting. Khammam is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, with dense forests teeming with a diverse array of flora and fauna. The Kinnarasani Wildlife Sanctuary, located on the banks of the Kinnarasani Reservoir, is a prime example of the region's rich biodiversity. It's home to a variety of animals, including tigers, leopards, sloth bears, and sambar deer. The sanctuary's dense forests are also home to numerous bird species, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. The air is alive with the calls of peacocks, parrots, and other exotic birds. Exploring these forests, either on foot or by jeep safari, offers a thrilling glimpse into the wild side of Khammam. Section 5. Urban Oasis Parks and Green Spaces of Khammam. Despite its rapid urbanization, Khammam has managed to preserve several green spaces within the city limits, providing a refreshing contrast to the bustling city life. These green spaces are not just patches of greenery, but are thoughtfully designed areas that cater to the recreational and relaxation needs of the residents, providing residents and visitors with tranquil escapes from the urban chaos. One such oasis is the Raghunath Wildlife Park, a small zoological park that's home to a variety of animals, including tigers, lions, and bears. The park is a popular destination for families, offering a chance to observe animals up close and learn about wildlife conservation. The park also features educational exhibits that highlight the importance of preserving wildlife and their natural habitats. The Raghunath Wildlife Park is not just about observing animals, it also serves as an educational hub where visitors can gain insights into the lives of these magnificent creatures. The park's conservation efforts are commendable, making it a significant spot for both recreation and education. Other green spaces in the city include the Lakaram Tankbund, a picturesque lakefront promenade ideal for evening walks. This serene spot is perfect for those looking to unwind after a long day. The promenade is lined with benches and shaded areas, making it a favorite among joggers, walkers, and those simply looking to enjoy the view. In addition to these major attractions, Khammam boasts several smaller parks scattered throughout the city. These parks, though smaller in size, are equally important in providing green lungs to the urban environment. They offer playgrounds for children, jogging tracks for fitness enthusiasts, and quiet corners for those seeking solitude. Each park, with its unique charm, contributes to the overall greenery and livability of Khammam, making it a city that beautifully balances urban development with nature conservation. Section 6. History in stone forts, temples, and ancient echoes. This section delves into the rich tapestry of Khammam's historical and spiritual landmarks, each narrating a unique story of the past. Khammam's history is etched into its ancient forts, temples, and ruins, whispering tales of bygone eras. These structures stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, each stone and carving holding secrets of a long-forgotten past. Standing tall on a hill overlooking the city is the Khammam Fort, a magnificent structure that dates back to the 10th century. This fort, with its imposing walls and strategic vantage points, has seen countless battles and has been a silent guardian of the city for over a millennium. The fort's strategic location and sturdy construction served as a testament to the power of the rulers who once controlled this region. Its walls, built to withstand sieges, tell stories of valor and resilience, echoing the might and grandeur of the past. Khammam is also home to several significant temples, showcasing the region's rich spiritual heritage. These temples, with their intricate carvings and sacred rituals, offer a glimpse into the spiritual life of the people who lived here centuries ago. The Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami Temple, dedicated to Lord Rama, is a major pilgrimage site, attracting devotees from far and wide. This temple, with its serene ambience and spiritual significance, has been a beacon of faith for generations. The Panchmukhi Hanuman Temple, with its five-faced idol of Lord Hanuman, is another popular religious destination. This unique temple, with its distinctive idol, draws worshippers who seek blessings and solace, adding to the spiritual mosaic of Khammam. Section 7. A climate for all seasons, experiencing Khammam's rhythms. Khammam experiences a tropical climate, characterized by hot summers and mild winters. The monsoon season, from June to September, brings much-needed rainfall to the region, transforming the landscape into a lush green paradise. The winter months, from November to February, offer the most pleasant weather for exploring the outdoors. The air is cool and crisp, and the skies are clear, making it ideal for visiting the Kinnarasani Wildlife Sanctuary or enjoying a picnic by the Kinnarasani Reservoir. Section 8. Flora and Fauna, a tapestry of life. Khammam's diverse topography and climate support a rich tapestry of flora and fauna. The forests surrounding the city are home to a variety of trees, including teak, bamboo, and eucalyptus. These forests provide shelter and sustenance to a wide range of animals, including tigers, leopards, sloth bears, and sambar deer. The region is also home to numerous bird species, including peacocks, parrots, kingfishers, and owls. The Kinnarasani Wildlife Sanctuary is a birdwatcher's paradise, with over 100 species of birds recorded within its boundaries. Section 9. Culture and Celebrations, the heart of Khammam. Khammam's cultural heritage is as vibrant and diverse as its natural landscape. The city is known for its traditional dance forms, music, and festivals. One of the most popular festivals is Samaka Saraka Jathara, a tribal festival celebrated once every 2 years. This massive gathering, attracting millions of devotees, is a testament to the region's deep-rooted cultural traditions. Other festivals celebrated with great enthusiasm in Khammam include Dussehra, Diwali, and Sankranti. These festivals are a time for families and communities to come together, celebrating their shared heritage through music, dance, and religious rituals. As Section 10. Agriculture, the backbone of a region. Agriculture forms the backbone of Khammam's economy. The region's fertile lands and abundant water resources make it ideal for cultivating a variety of crops. Rice is the primary crop grown in the district, followed by cotton, chilies, and turmeric. The Godavari River and the Kinnarasani Reservoir play a vital role in irrigating the region's farmlands. The agricultural sector provides employment to a significant portion of the population, contributing to the region's economic prosperity. Section 11. Khammam beckons, a tapestry of nature, history, and culture. Khammam is a city of hidden gems, a place where natural beauty, historical charm, and cultural richness converge to create a truly unique destination. From the serene waters of the Godavari River to the dense forests of the Kinnarasani Wildlife Sanctuary, Khammam offers a refreshing escape from the ordinary. Whether you seek adventure in the wild, solace in nature, or a glimpse into India's rich history and culture, Khammam has something to offer everyone, so venture off the beaten path and discover the magic that awaits you in this hidden gem of Telangana.